Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install eFootball 2027 game on PC for free. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So open a Steam, go to store and insert the store search for eFootball and then click on eFootball. As you can see, eFootball 2027 update is already updated. And here you will see play eFootball play game button. So click on play game button. It is free to play. So click on play game button. And here you can see eFootball and the file size is 48.67 GB. So click on install. Read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library. And here you can see that eFootball 2027 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps, you can also download or install eFootball 2027 game for free with the Steam launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.